A twin pregnancy is one of the most fascinating events in human biology. While most pregnancies involve one baby, some result in the development of two babies growing together inside the mother's uterus. These babies are known as *** twins. Although twin pregnancies are less common than single pregnancies, millions of twins are born around the world every year. Advances in prenatal care, ultrasound imaging, and maternal health have greatly improved the monitoring and care of twin pregnancies. Twins are generally divided into ***, two main types, identical twins and fraternal twins. Understanding the difference begins with fertilization. Identical twins also called monozygotic twins develop when a single fertilized egg divides into two separate embryos during the early stages of pregnancy. Because both babies come from the same fertilized egg, they usually have the same genetic information. They are always the same biological sex and often share many similar physical characteristics, such as hair color, eye color, facial features, and blood type. However, even identical twins can develop unique personalities, fingerprints, and life experiences. The second type is ***, fraternal twins also known as ***, dizygotic twins. These twins develop when two separate eggs are released from the ovaries during the same menstrual cycle and each egg is fertilized by a different sperm cell. Since they develop from different eggs, fraternal twins are genetically similar to ordinary brothers and sisters. They may be the same sex or different sexes and often look quite different from one another. Several factors can increase the chance of a twin pregnancy. Maternal age plays an important role because women over the age of 30 may naturally release more than one egg during ovulation. A family history of fraternal twins, certain fertility treatments, assisted reproductive technologies, and previous multiple pregnancies can also increase the likelihood of conceiving twins. Pregnancy begins when a fertilized egg implants into the lining of the uterus. During the first few weeks, the embryos develop rapidly. The brain, heart, spinal cord, and other major organs begin forming very early. In a twin pregnancy, both babies grow at the same time while receiving oxygen and nutrients through the placenta. Some identical twins share one placenta, while others have separate placentas depending on when the fertilized egg divides. Fraternal twins almost always have separate placentas and separate amniotic sacs because they originate from two different fertilized eggs. These differences are important because they influence how doctors monitor the pregnancy. One of the most important medical examinations during a twin pregnancy is the *** ultrasound scan. Ultrasound uses sound waves to create images of the developing babies without using radiation. During the first trimester, ultrasound can confirm the presence of twins, estimate the pregnancy stage, detect fetal heartbeats, and determine whether the babies share a placenta or amniotic sac. This information helps healthcare providers plan appropriate prenatal care. As pregnancy progresses, both babies continue developing rapidly. Their hearts begin beating, their arms and legs grow longer, fingers and toes become visible, and facial structures gradually develop. Throughout pregnancy, doctors regularly monitor fetal growth, movement, heart activity, and amniotic fluid levels to ensure both babies are developing appropriately. Twin pregnancies require closer medical monitoring than single pregnancies because carrying two babies places additional demands on the mother's body. Healthcare providers usually recommend regular prenatal checkups, balanced nutrition, appropriate weight gain, adequate hydration, and prenatal vitamins as advised. Monitoring blood pressure, blood sugar, and overall maternal health is also an important part of routine prenatal care. Many parents wonder whether twins always look exactly alike. The answer depends on the type of twins. Identical twins usually have very similar physical features because they share nearly identical genetic material, while fraternal twins may resemble each other no more than typical siblings. Modern medical care has greatly improved outcomes for twin pregnancies. Advances in prenatal imaging, maternal fetal medicine, neonatal intensive care, and nutritional guidance allow healthcare teams to monitor both mother and babies throughout pregnancy and identify potential concerns early. Although twin pregnancies require additional attention, many result in the safe delivery of two healthy babies. Regular prenatal care, healthy lifestyle choices, and following medical advice play important roles in supporting a healthy pregnancy. In Part 2 we will explore twin pregnancy symptoms, possible complications, prenatal care, labor and delivery, cesarean section, newborn care, and common myths about twin babies. Educational disclaimer. This video is for educational purposes only and should not replace professional medical advice, diagnosis, or treatment. Pregnancy care should always be guided by a qualified.
A twin pregnancy is often considered a high-risk pregnancy, not because complications always occur, but because carrying two babies places greater demands on both the mother and the developing babies. For this reason, doctors usually recommend more frequent prenatal checkups, regular ultrasound examinations, and closer monitoring throughout pregnancy. During the first trimester, many women carrying twins experience pregnancy symptoms similar to a single pregnancy but often more intensely. Morning sickness, nausea, fatigue, breast tenderness, frequent urination, and food cravings may be more noticeable because hormone levels are generally higher in twin pregnancies. Every pregnancy is unique, so symptoms vary from one mother to another. As the babies grow, the uterus expands more rapidly than in a single pregnancy. This can lead to increased back pain, pelvic pressure, shortness of breath, leg swelling, and difficulty finding a comfortable sleeping position during the later months of pregnancy. Regular medical follow-up helps healthcare providers monitor both maternal health and fetal development. One of the most important parts of prenatal care is routine ultrasound monitoring. Ultrasound allows doctors to observe fetal growth, heartbeats, amniotic fluid levels, placental health, and the baby's positions inside the uterus. These examinations help identify potential concerns early and guide decisions throughout the pregnancy. Because twin pregnancies carry additional risks, healthcare providers monitor for conditions such as preterm birth, gestational diabetes, pregnancy-related high blood pressure, preeclampsia, anemia, and differences in fetal growth. Early detection allows doctors to provide appropriate treatment and reduce the risk of complications. Proper nutrition becomes especially important during a twin pregnancy. Healthcare professionals usually recommend a balanced diet containing protein, fruits, vegetables, whole grains, healthy fats, calcium, iron, and folic acid. Adequate hydration and appropriate weight gain also support healthy fetal development. Nutritional recommendations should always be individualized by a qualified healthcare provider. Many parents wonder whether twins are always born by cesarean section, C-section. The answer is no. Some twin pregnancies can be delivered safely through vaginal birth, depending on factors such as the baby's positions, gestational age, maternal health, and the absence of pregnancy complications. However, if one or both babies are not in a suitable position or if complications develop, doctors may recommend a cesarean delivery to improve safety for both the mother and the babies. Premature birth is more common in twin pregnancies because the uterus becomes stretched earlier than in a singleton pregnancy. Babies born before full term may require specialized care in a neonatal intensive care unit, NICU, until they are able to breathe, feed, and maintain body temperature independently. Immediately after birth, healthcare professionals carefully examine each newborn. Doctors assess breathing, heart rate, muscle tone, reflexes, body temperature, weight, and overall health. Even when twins appear healthy, each baby is evaluated individually because their medical needs may differ. Feeding twins requires planning and patience. Many mothers successfully breastfeed both babies, while others choose formula feeding or a combination of both methods based on medical advice and personal circumstances. Pediatricians and lactation consultants can provide valuable guidance to support healthy feeding and growth. One common myth is that identical twins are exactly the same in every way. Although they share nearly identical genetic material, they develop unique fingerprints, personalities, interests, and life experiences. Environment, nutrition, education, and daily interactions all contribute to making each child an individual. Another misconception is that twins always communicate in a secret language. While some twins develop unique ways of interacting during early childhood, language development follows the same biological principles as with other children. Every child develops communication skills at a different pace. Modern prenatal medicine has significantly improved the safety of twin pregnancies. Advances in ultrasound technology, maternal-fetal medicine, neonatal intensive care, and evidence-based obstetric care have increased the chances of healthy outcomes for both mothers and babies. The most important factors supporting a healthy twin pregnancy include regular prenatal care, balanced nutrition, following medical advice, attending scheduled checkups, managing existing medical conditions, and seeking prompt medical attention if unusual symptoms develop. Twin pregnancies may require additional medical monitoring, but with appropriate healthcare and family support, many parents welcome two healthy babies into the world. Understanding how twin pregnancies develop helps families prepare for this unique and rewarding journey. Educational disclaimer: this video is intended for educational purposes only. It should not replace professional medical advice, diagnosis, or treatment. Every pregnancy is unique, and all medical decisions should be made in consultation